Today we're gonna solve remove all adjacent dupes in the string. I saw this question already, but like I'm just gonna keep practicing until like I can explain it like correctly. Okay, it's an easy problem. Um, so I don't think it's gonna take long. I think it's just like me practicing and understanding how to explain it. Okay, so we have a string called S, and then like some elements and letters in the string could be like A, B, B, A, C, A. And as you can see, there's automatically looking at it, you see two dupes, which is B, and they're all adjacent to each other, so you have to remove them. So once we remove them again, once we remove it, and then you'll have AA again as dupes, and we have to remove that, and then you'll just be left with CA. So at the end of the day, it's creating a for loop, and in that for loop, you will have a character at a specific element, and just name it like I or J or whatever. And then if it's equal to your specific element that you put it at, then it's a dupe, so you have to remove it, and the index gets smaller. But if it's not a dupe, then it equals the C, and then it keeps getting like index keeps getting bigger because you keep on reiterating, and at the end of the day, you'll have no dupes at your string. So we can use a stack as a car stack in Java, because you can do that in Java, and you can use arrays as stacks and stuff like that. So we'll get coding because it's not a hard problem. So I can just comment it and I'll explain it. So we can also put create array stack. Cool. Keep track of the indexes. Is it indices or indexes? I actually don't know. It's just the first time. But anyways, so let's just say car of, let's name it stack equals new car I start length. And you used to use the method thing because it's not an array, it's a string. Java's crazy, I know. Int index equals 0 to keep track of the indexes. And then for here, you just want to create a for loop to go through the actual stack. So sorry. What am I saying? Int I is less than s dot length, and then I plus plus. So here you want to say car, let's say C, and then s dot car at the specific element, and it'll be at I because we're iterating over those elements. And then you want to say if, this is the important part, if index is greater than 0, that means there is an element inside the stack. So which is the first condition we have to check, and then and the stack of index minus 1 from the top, index minus 1 equals your element at your specific which is just checking if it's a dupe. So sorry, check if dupe, if it's at that specific element, which is C, then what you want to do is just decrement the index and just remove it. So that's how you basically just remove it. It's not like a linked list when you do some .next. It's the craziest. It's just you decrement the index because it's a dupe. If it's not, you just want to say stack of index equals C, and you're not removing it. You're just naming C, and then you're just saying, index plus plus. Does that make sense? I think. And then we want to turn new string. And then what's it called? Stack at 0, and then index, and that should be the solution. Because it's not hard. You're just removing it because it's a dupe. That should not be. Sorry, because I know I started over again, so that's why it's like that. Dog. Yeah. So yeah, it's accepted. So it's not a hard problem. You're just removing it since it's a dupe. So yeah, thank you.